Hi, and welcome back to Easy Eats. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make cucumber tuna boats. These are really healthy, they're super filling, and they are delicious. These make a great lunch or dinner, and they're super easy to make. You're not going to have to use any heat or sharp knives, so they're great for young kids to make as well. I'm making a recipe for 2 people, so if you want to make more, then just use more ingredients than I use here. The ingredients that you're going to need for this recipe are 1 cucumber, half a can of tuna, half a can or box of white beans, some lemon juice, some salt and pepper for flavor, some oil, this can be canola oil or olive oil or anything, I'm using olive oil, and some Dijon mustard. So the first thing you need to do is rinse your cucumber just with water to make sure that it's nice and clean. This will get any stuff on the outside just off of it so that it's safe to eat. Then you're going to take a peeler and you're just going to peel it all the way down, just kind of in stripes all the way around it. Then I'm going to take my knife, you can just use a butter knife for this, you don't need a sharp knife at all, and I'm going to chop off the ends of my cucumber. Then you're going to slice your cucumber in half long ways. All right, now we've done that, we're gonna scoop out the seeds with a spoon. Okay, now you're gonna throw away your leftover cucumber bits. You can eat them, but they don't taste as good as the parts that we're going to be using. All right, next thing that you're going to do is drain your tuna and your beans. I'm gonna do it into a bowl just so that you can see what I'm doing, but you just do this into the sink. So open up your can of tuna. Hopefully you'll have just a pop tab on the top. Be careful with the edge of the can because it can be sharp. Spilled that, whoops. But then you're just gonna take the top of the can and you're gonna hold it on and get all the water out. I've cleaned up my little tuna mess and now I'm gonna do the same thing with the beans. So mine are in a box, these often come in cans though, but you're just gonna open them up and drain all the water out of them so that there's just beans in there. All right, now since I'm making this for just 2 people, I'm only gonna use half the beans and half the tuna, but if you wanna make it for 4 people, then obviously you're gonna need 1 more cucumber, but you can just use the full cans of both the beans and the tuna. So I'm gonna pour half of my beans into just a small bowl, and then I'm gonna grab a fork and start mashing that up. All right, now that I've mashed up my beans, I'm gonna add the rest of my ingredients. So first thing I'll add is half of this can of tuna. Then I'm going to add 1 spoon of oil. This will help it stick together. I'm gonna add 2 spoons of lemon juice. And then I'm gonna add 1 spoon of Dijon mustard. And lastly, I'm gonna add just a few cranks of salt and pepper for more flavor. All right, now I'm gonna mix that all up with my fork. All right, now with a spoon, I'm gonna scoop all this into my cucumbers. All right, now once you've scooped it into the cucumbers, you are all finished. This is your finished dish. It looks really cute, it's little boats, and it is very healthy as well. There's lots of protein in this, there's also veggies, it's really good for you, and it tastes delicious.
That was good.